We out here in the motherfucking snow, the New York motherfucking weather. Yo, I can't even get from the front of the house. Jesus. Oh my God. Alright, let's go on this journey, world. You ready? Let's get it. Uncharted 6, starring the first black guy. Oh, look at my baby. Buried. No, this shit is up to the window. Buried alive. No. Yo, do you know how much digging that's gonna take to get this fucking car? It's gonna take forever. I love you, baby. We'll get you out soon. Look at the New York Live. We out here. Blizzard. Oh my God. Oh, this truck barely get to that. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's over. Oh, no. At least we got the Super Bowl coming up. Got the 8 solos on, you see me? I had these for like 15 years. Still good. Still